So we went to Tractor Supply tonight, and they finally had some baby chicks, and we finally got some. So we got 4. So we got a little setup now. Right now they're in the house. So we got their little watering can. Because this thing isn't as super huge, we got a little container just to put some food in. And we got 4 baby chicks, 2 little brown striped ones, 1 brown one, and then that itty bitty little yellow one. They are super cute. They're 4 different kinds, and I'll tell you the kinds later because I don't recall them all. But we got their little light right here, so they got a cute little sweet little setup. I've got them in my bathroom right now. I've been wanting to do chicks for a little bit, so 3 of them are supposed to be egg layings, and the little yellow one, I don't think that one is an egg laying chick, but so it's the first chickens on the Burgess Family Farm. What y'all doing? The kids are gonna name 3 of them, and then whichever one they don't name, I guess I'm gonna name. So we shall see what they come up with. I told them in a couple of days we can see what they come up with. I think they're all just trying to stick together. The 2 brown striped ones are pretty smart. They were able to get some water and come over to the food pretty good, and we held our hand out for them to get their food for a bit, and they all ate out of our hands, so that was pretty good. And they were all drinking out of the water, so that's good. Definitely something different here that we haven't had before. What you doing there, chicks? The little yellow one likes to just crawl under everybody. It's tiny. What y'all doing? I think the little yellow one's the one that's a chatty Cathy. It likes to talk. The 2 brown striped ones were in the same thing at Tractor Supply, the same little container, and then the yellow one and the solid brown one, they were in the same container type, so. Our cute little chicks. We'll have some names for you in a couple of days. Let you know what each of them are. I think they're all just trying to stick together right now. Oh, trying to get some food. Well. Oh, well, don't get in there. Get out there. Little chicks. What y'all doing? Alright, so that's it tonight for the first little video on the Burgess Family Farm with our new chicks. We will talk to y'all later. Bye now.